Hello students, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to discuss about Manjara Charitable Trust College of Law. So today we'll see how many seats are available in this college, college का admission process क्या है, and how much score is required in CET Law examination to get admission in this college. So this college is located in Navi Mumbai, and this college is also affiliated to the University of Mumbai. Now talking about the number of seats available in this college. So in terms of 3 years LLB program, this college offers 120 seats. And in terms of 5 years integrated LLB program, this college offers 60 seats. Talking about the expected score required in 2021 examination, if you are targeting this law college, then in terms of 3 years LLB program, you need to score more than 84 marks out of total 150 marks. And in terms of 5 years integrated LLB program, you need to score more than 75 marks out of total 150 marks to secure admission in this college. In case if you have started your preparation and you want to know your preparation level, so for that, we have launched a mock test on our application. You can download the application from Play Store. Also, the application link is available in the description box. So you can download it and you can attempt this mock test, and accordingly you can come to know your preparation level. So now talking about the admission process. So basically there are two examinations. If you are preparing for 3 years LLB program, you need to appear for 3 years Maharashtra Law CET examination. And if you are preparing for 5 years integrated LLB program, you need to appear for 5 years Maharashtra Law CET exam. So first step comes here is to prepare for the examination. The next step is to register yourself for the exam. Then you get the hall ticket. हॉल टिकट में जो एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर लिखा हुआ होता है, आपको वो एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर पे जाके एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देना होता है. देन यू गेट द रिजल्ट्स एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट एक ऑनलाइन सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिशन प्रोसेस होता है जिसको हम कैप राउंड भी बोलते हैं, वेयर यू आर सपोज टू सिलेक्ट द कॉलेज प्रेफरेंसेस एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट आपको एक कॉलेज एलोकेट होता है. आपको वो कॉलेज में जाके डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिशन करना होता है एंड देन फाइनली यू गेट एडमिशन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर लॉ कॉलेज. सो दिस वाज द एडमिशन प्रोसेस. So in case if you have any doubts or any questions, you can put your question in the comment section. Also, you can directly contact us on 8383818888. You can also access to our website, which is www.beducare.com. And in case if you have not started your preparation, you can start your preparation for CET Law examination with us. We are coaching classes for Maharashtra CET Law exam. We provide classroom coaching in Mumbai. We provide live classes. We also provide video lectures program, and we provide books as well as mock test. So our application is available on Play Store. Also it is available on Apple Store. You can download the application and attempt the mock test. You can also access to the other courses provided there in the application. In case if you wish to know more about this college and if you wish to know more about Maharashtra CET Law exam, then you can contact us. You can call or WhatsApp on this number. Thank you so much for watching this video.